Hello everyone, welcome back to TechVibes. Today I will show you an amazing new code for the Downloader application on your Fire Stick, Android TV, or Google TV device. It is an incredible new application for live television as well as live sports. Without any further ado, the very first step is to get the app called Downloader on your device. You can get it totally for free from the official App Store on your system. Just go to search on your device, open the search bar, and start typing Downloader. As you can see, the application will appear in the results. Click on it, give it a moment to load, and download that orange application to your device. However, after you get Downloader, there is still one more step. You need to configure it properly. In order to set up Downloader, we need to go into the settings. Let us do that right now. Open your settings, then go to the section labeled My Fire TV and look for developer options. On some devices, especially newer models, these options might be hidden by default. If you cannot find developer options, there is no need to worry because it is very easy to make them appear. Go to the About section, select your device name, and start clicking on the middle button of your remote. Do this quickly and repeatedly, you will see a notification stating that you are now a developer. Go back a step and you will finally see the Developer Options menu. Open it and make sure to turn on ADB debugging. Then go to the installation of unknown apps. Locate Downloader in the list and turn that option on. This will allow you to install applications from the internet rather than just those available in the official store. That is exactly what we are going to do right now. Go back to your list of apps and open the Downloader application we just installed. Before we use it, I always recommend ensuring your connection is secure. Once you are ready, open the Downloader app and give it a moment to load. At the top, there is a search bar where you need to enter a specific code. The code is 4564006. After that, do not click open just yet. It is better to press done because this gives you the option to delete the installation files which you no longer need. Click on delete and then delete once again. This is a great way to save some storage space on your device. Now go back to your list of installed apps. You will find the new application we just installed at the end of your list. If the application does not appear immediately, you may need to follow a different path to find it. Open your settings one more time. Go into Applications and then select Manage Installed Apps. Scroll down until you find the new application you just installed. Click on it and select Launch Application. This will open the incredible live television and sports streaming interface for your device. Everything is now ready for you to explore. I hope you enjoy this new application. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. Subscribe to TechVibes for more streaming tips and tech guides. Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.